Webwork Tracker Tutorial for Beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be walking you through how to use Webwork time tracking software. To get started is actually free, as you don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. So you're going to go onto webwork-tracker.com and you're going to tap on Start 14-day free trial period. From there, you can sign up using your email address. Once you're signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this, and you can select the industry that you're in. So for example, let's say I were to I'll just select e-commerce and retail. Then what is your primary role? You can select your role right here. After doing that, you'll tap on next. Then what is your main goal with Webwork? You can select your main goal. So let's say managing tasks and projects. Then we're going to tap on next. Then you'll just select next. After you have done that, what would you like to call your workspace? You can add in a name right there. Then what is the primary work arrangement for your team? Whether they work remotely, hybrid, office-based, you can select whichever one of these options. Then how many people will you be working with? You can enter that information right there. Then you'll tap on next. After you have done that, if it is a case that you would like to add other team members, you can do that. You can share the link right here, or you can add in their email address and you'll be able to add them. Once you're finished doing this, you'll be redirected to this page right here. And all I want you to do now, you're just going to tap on I don't want discount and you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your Webwork dashboard, the first thing you can do is go over to the left-hand menu option. And from here, you'll be able to create projects. To create a project, you can tap on projects from right here. And by the way, if you'd like to invite others, you can tap on people. And from there, you'll be able to invite others. You can tap on members. Then you could tap on invite in the top right-hand column. And you'll be able to invite other members. And you'll be able to view your team and you can organize your team right here. You can also add titles and so on to the different team members. After you're finished doing that, you can create your first project. So we could select projects, tap on project, then you could tap on create project in the top right hand column. You can give the project a name, so I'll just call it test. Then you can select the start date. So let's say for example, it will start tomorrow. And let's say it is going to be ending 11th. So we can add that right there. And you can put in the time estimate and you can also put in the budget estimate. So let me do that real quick. So I'll say 6 hours. And let's say the budget is $900. And we'll tap on create project. So you can see that we have created our first project. After you have created your project, you can tap on go to tasks. And from there, you'll be able to create tasks related to that particular project and you'll be able to assign it to others. So all you'll need to do is tap on add a new task in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you can create your task right here. You can create your task. After creating your task, you'll be able to assign it to someone. So you'll be able to assign it to a different team member if you want. Another thing that you can also do with this platform, so if we were to go back, you can also use their tracker, their time tracker feature. So for instance, you can tap right where you see real time from the left hand menu option. After tapping on real time, once you have downloaded the app, you'll be able to use their real time tracker as you can see right here. And this will allow you to start tracking time, so you'll be able to monitor how long someone takes on a project or task, as they can select the project or task that they're working on and click on start timer. And then from there, you'll be able to view it. You can also create more tasks in the future by tapping on tasks from the left hand menu option. After tapping on tasks, you can tap on add new task and you could create a task right here and you can assign it to others. So those are quite a lot of options that you'll be getting access to. Also, if you would like to use this platform for communication purposes, you can tap on communication and you can use either their video meetings option or their chat option as you can see right here. And if we were to tap on finances, from this section you'll be able to create an invoice. So you could tap on create invoice. Then you could select either hour-based invoice or custom invoice. Then you can fill in the person's name. Then you can put bill to, and you can put in the client's information right there. Select the item that you like to bill them for, the quantity, and the price. Then you can add in a description if you want. After you're finished doing that, you can share it. So you could tap on save and share. And you can choose to share it either via email, share as a link, or download PDF. So you have different options. You can also arrange time off, for example, leave, holidays, or so on. You can monitor it from this platform. So you could go on time off from the left-hand menu option. And we could select holidays for example sake. After you have selected holidays, from here, you will be able to select the different holidays. So you could add a holiday that you offer. You can also tap on leave. And from here, you'll be able to monitor the leave requests. So persons will be able to put in leave requests, the persons that you have added. And you'll be able to monitor the different leave requests of others on this platform. And if you like to integrate use other platforms, you can quickly integrate ClickUp, Asana, Trello, and numerous other platforms with this. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative on how to set up, track time, and optimize productivity using Webwork Tracker.